I got again. Like, what the fuck is going on? When today we actually have a pair of sneakers that I feel like it's a little bit overrated at this point. Y'all be the judge. If y'all end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. I'm holding the knife all crazy, my fault. We're gonna get into it real quick. This pair of sneakers, low key, bro, I've been waiting on for a little while, bro. I was procrastinating it. I've been talking about these for a minute, like getting my size in these and shit. The right opportunity popped up, so I guess it was about time, you feel me? Also, while I'm cutting this up, make sure y'all go ahead and sign up for onenori.co. My brand is dropping dead ass, bro, in like 2 or 3 weeks. Sign up right there and you'll be the first to buy some shit. Meet your soulmates. eBay one day will sponsor me. It's coming, bro. I've been buying sneakers from eBay for ever so long. One day they gonna bless me. Right here we do got the Amamanier Jordan 4s. It does have the little card in there. Now we're gonna go over these babies right here, size 10.5 Amamanier, finally in my collection. Low-key, I decided to get these used because I'll probably be more inclined to wear them. I'm not gonna bullshit y'all. I bought these used because I wanted to wear them, the Travi joints, and I still haven't worn them. So I have an issue, yes. Roast me in the comments for owning these for damn near 2 years and still not throwing them on toe outside, bro. I guess I just been waiting for the right moment, but when is the right moment, bro? Like, low-key, if the world ends tomorrow, I never wore these shits. What the f? Hopefully that's not the case with these. Amamanier Jordan, ooh! Jordan 4s, I ended up paying $350 for these, and I'm gonna inspect them real quick. Give me a second. Nah, bro, these bitches might get returned. I'm not gonna lie. Chill, B. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Hold the fucking phone, bro. Hold the fucking front door, bro. Damn. Bro, they got a whole ass scuff in the front. Yo, let me know in the chat if I should return these bitches. Peep the scuff. Chill, bro. Damn. Is that glue? That's a scuff, bruh. It's a L. Fuck. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm kind of disappointed. I'm gonna show y'all them up close, but I might have to hit that return button, bro. I'm kind of glad I opened them now because if I would have let them sit any longer, my return is void. So low-key, let me know in the chat. I'm gonna post this in a couple days. Let me know if it's a return type thing. So they said worn once. I paid $350, you feel me? Y'all see the scuff right here, bro? Let me know if it's a return type thing, bro. I don't know if I want to keep these. Low-key, they left a bitter taste in my mouth, bro. Like, I really wanted these in my size. I might try them on and shit, but bro, Nike Air on the back. Y'all already know the vibes on these. The Amamanier button on the back as well. Extra hits of luxury on it. I don't know, bro. One thing I'm gonna let y'all know is this, bro. My grandma and my dad always told me, lo barato sale caro, which basically means cheap shit ends up being more expensive in the long run. This is literally that. And it came to my mind just now. I don't know why I didn't think about it earlier. I'm gonna just return them, bro, and buy them brand new. Let me know if I'm just being nitpicky in the comments, but for a $400 sneaker, $350 in my case, I don't know if it's worth it to get them literally worn once, quote unquote, looking like this, you feel me? Like, these look like they wore them once, but they went fucking running from the cops type shit. Like, dude, this don't look like a lightly worn once, and it's kind of deceiving because on the pictures on eBay, these bitches was looking crispy, bro. Dead ass looking crispy, so I'm low-key kind of tight, I'm not gonna lie. You laying in bed right now watching this shit and you not subscribed, bro, but you came back for a third video, that's up, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That's all I'm asking. Subscribe, leave a like. Are these overrated? The Amamanier Jordan 4s? That's the real questions. Are they overrated, or do y'all think they deserve the hype? Let me know in the comments. For me, I believe these are clean Jordan 4s. It's a nice colorway, nice collaboration. The little details are on point. So I guess it's a coin toss on whether it's overrated or not. At the end of the day, Amamanier literally just puts the plum color on anything and calls it a sneaker. I believe on this one right here, it definitely does work. But on some of the other iterations they have had, it doesn't work as well. I must say my two favorite pairs are the Amamanier Jordan 4s and the Jordan 3s. I feel like on both of these they killed it, bro. Like, both of these are clean, and I truly believe that you should have these in your collection, especially if you love the more luxury side of sneakers. They put their foot forward when it comes to that shit. My specific pair is kind of an L, bro. Let me know in the chat if I took an L. I'm gonna have to get these returned, bro. Homie gonna be sick because he really thought he got me on this one. It's not happening, you feel me? I'm low-key stressing, bro. Comment whether I should keep these, flip them, send them back, return them, get them back to sender, you feel me? Let me know in the chat what y'all think I should do with these, or should I just take my L in peace, bro? Take my L in stride, keep moving forward. What do I do? Let me know in the comments. For me right now, I'm low-key inclined to return these bitches. I'd rather get these looking clean, bro. Like, I'm not trying to get a worn 7 times ass sneaker when it said worn once, you feel me? So I don't know. Cherry on top was really the fucking scuff right here, bro. Like, I can't get past that. And I know when I wear them, I definitely won't unsee it. It's low-key triggering me right now. I don't know if y'all see how pissed I am. Yeah, I'm tight, bro. Definitely tight. I'm gonna throw these on feet, see what they looking like, to see if I'm actually gonna want to get these back, but put an L in the chat, bro. Sign up for OneNori, bro. At the end of the day, make my day better. Sign up for OneNori.co. All you have to do is put your email in. That way you are first to buy my brand, which I've been working ever so hard on, and you might fuck around and get a free gift. So it's a win-win situation, you feel me? Just go ahead and do that. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, bro. I got again. Like, what the fuck is going on? That pretty much concludes this video. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, morning, night, whenever you're watching this. Go out there, get some sunlight. It's low-key 70 degrees outside and I'm in the fucking stew sweating bullets for you, my friend. But you know what? It's all for a bigger purpose, a bigger picture that I'm painting. I appreciate y'all for life, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.